Plus 69 people.
Now I wonder where is my bread? Oh, my precious bread. Oh, I think I forgot to turn off oven in house. Gotta get fast to the house.
Did this guy just stole a piece of bread?
What? I'm calling the police.
You can't be serious. I'm sure police has some more important work to do. So what we got today? Today we got 13 murders, 37 rapes, 2 terrorist attacks, 28 robberies in total. Pretty good statistics. It seems like crime is finally reducing. Yeah, a little rest in endless battle with evil. Oh look, another robbery. Oh my god! Someone stole a piece of bread from the supermarket. Gosh, who could commit such an awful crime in such a peaceful time? Who is this black guy? No, he's actually white. Oh, he must be innocent then. Nah, he can't be innocent. Guys, you serious? Look at this old snack. He won't hurt a mosquito. He probably just forgot to pay for it because of dementia or something. He is not harmful. You're so naive.
What? He knows you'll think this way. Give a close-up to his face. As I expected. Look at that evil smirk. He smiles because he knows no one's looking, so he unveils his true awful nature.
What? These are just bunch of pixels. You can't say it by this picture.
You underestimate me. If he'd be a normal person, this pixel would be there. I am educated enough to know everything about it. I had a diploma.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you have a diploma. Now I trust you. What should we do, sir?
This old man is the most dangerous person in 100 miles, and probably in the world. Call all forces. We need to stop that bastard.
There's dozens of people in operation area.
It's too dangerous to leave them there. Evacuate the area.
Where should we send all these people?
To the safest place in the city. To the gas station.
So far, so clear.
Don't relax, Serge. He's on your way.
Copy. I've never been so scared in my entire life. There he is. Oh my god, he's so fast! How car can even move this fast? He's gonna roll us over! Shoot him! Oh my god, they're in danger! Oh no! Jump! Whoa!
Serge, you okay?
Damn it, that was close! We barely escaped our death!
I think I even broke my neck!
There is no way to stop him by ground force. We need an air support. Roger that. Come in his way. Be ready, Corporal. Shoot on sight. Roger that. Oh shit!
Oh, never mind.
Sir, we lost him. He arrived at the gas station. We send all people from city center out there. We gotta save him.
No. Unfortunately, all these people are already dead. We cannot risk thousands of lives because of few dozens.
What do you mean, sir?
Bring me a helicopter and bazooka. I'll end this myself.
We can't get too close, it's too dangerous.
That's enough. Sayonara, assholes.
What the
Unfortunately, during the anti-terrorist operation, 69 people died. We send our apologies to families of the deceased, but in times like this, we're required to take a fast advantage before something more terrible happens. Not a single police officer shall be responsible for this, but a suspect who committed an appalling act before, leaving us no choice later. A disgusting person who's responsible for all the 69 deaths is now eliminated. People are in safety now. God bless America. Plus 69 people. My kill count grows well. Soon, I'll get it 1,000 kills.
What was that?
Well. We finally met, Colonel Boomer.
You! Impossible! You're supposed to be dead!
I'm dead? No, I didn't have that in my plan.
Your plan?
Yes, my plan. It was my plan all along.
No!
You thought you fooled me with your cops and army. You thought you played me. No, it was me playing you. I knew there was a serial killer in the police dept, and probably was very respectful person, so he can make orders to reach his goals. I knew where you're gonna put all these people. Not the safest place, isn't it?
But how did you survive the explosion?
I didn't have to. You see, I escaped.
How?
Very simple. Even before helicopter arrived, I've placed my car right behind gas barrel. There is such a thing as door inside car, which was developed to get out or get in the car. I used it. Then I used such thing as human legs to walk away. Pretty simple, huh? Although for your stupid brain it might be impossible to understand. You believe it was your kills, huh? If I wouldn't get there, you wouldn't have an excuse to destroy the gas station. Therefore, all these kills are mine too, which makes my kill count higher.
No!
What is this, boy? Disappointment? You thought you are the only mass killer in the town. What a fool. You challenged the wrong person, Boomer. Well, your killer count is bigger than mine only on one person. So if I kill you, they will be equal.
Huh? Didn't expect a six-pack in me, huh? What you gonna say now? Nani?
I was surprised that in reality you're so weak. I thought I've encountered a worthy opponent, but you're just a worm. I could have destroyed you in a matter of time with my hands, or with the evidence I have.
Impossible!
Your expressions are amazing. The power I have in my hands is truly exciting. But you see, I like challenges. It makes the whole thing more interesting. That's why I won't destroy you or use my evidence. But I always have a possibility to do so. You'll be
be scared every day knowing that I can do it. You'd be living in a fear for the rest of your life. And I'll be pleased by knowing that I can crush you and put you to jail anytime I want. Now, I don't have any more time for this useless talk. We'll see how you carry on with your killing passion now. We'll see who's gonna win. Don't worry. I will have my revenge.
Sarabhi,